super excited because it's my graduation ceremony and I'm going as the African woman that I am. As you can see, my last graduation ceremony was after I graduated from Ahmadu Bello University with a master's degree in architecture. And that was in 2004. When I arrived at Canada in 2020, the obvious decision was to continue with architecture. But for some reasons, I wanted to learn something different, something that would complement my knowledge of architecture. And so I studied for a diploma in graphic design technology at the Vancouver Career College. The program was for 10 months, April 2020 to January 2021. My class was the pioneer class for this course, and I graduated with honors, having a cumulative GPA of 99.67. I never got to meet any of my lecturers or classmates physically because I studied during the peak of the COVID pandemic and our classes had to be virtual. So it's going to be exciting to finally see them in person. Well, so that's it, guys. Come along. I got to meet my lecturer, Steve.
Nice to meet you.
Thanks. Hi, Brent. Dagnish. Say hi. I know Daniel is a student. He's studying.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah. He's a student.
And even Jim didn't come, right?
Yeah, I mentioned Jim. I said I would really have loved to see Jim. And Harry and Brandon.
Yeah.
I messaged Jim, but he didn't respond.
This one,
Oh,
right?
really?
You
Oh,
remember?
yeah.
Yes.
Oh, yeah. I know it's unlikely that Jake would come because he was always hiding.
I said, we will meet again. Yeah?
Yeah. I was really hoping that we'll all get to see because we never did get to see each other.
That's right, first time.
So if you all can please stand up for the national anthem led and sung by my friend Isaac McMaster.
Oh, Canada, our home and native land, true pain, true love, in all of us command. With glowing hearts we see thee rise, the on guard for thee. Oh, Canada, we stand on guard for thee.
Before we begin the event, I would like to acknowledge the shared traditional ancestry territory of the Katski, Kwantlen, Matsqui, and Semiahmoo First Nations, where we are gathered today and we are sitting on their land, our brothers and sisters in faith and our brothers and sisters in culture. Ladies and gentlemen, I would like to firstly introduce who I am. My name is Shakil Khan. I'm the program coordinator for the Social Services Department, and I'm also an instructor for the Social Services Department here at our lovely campus, Vancouver Career College, Surrey campus.
So graduates, here, there, right? This is your day. You did it. Congratulations. So good morning, graduates, family, friends, distinguished guests, campus directors, faculty, and staff. My name is Jane Ali, as Shakil just said, and it is my honor today to be able to address and pay tribute to our 2019, 2020, and 2021 graduating class.
My name is Courtney Riddock, and I'm the Director of Sales and Marketing, as well as Work Experience Coordinator for the Holiday Inn Express Metrotown. VCC and the company that I work for joined forces some years ago to build a partnership in offering amazing students, such as yourselves, a work experience opportunity.
Siobhan Nobbs from the Medical Office Assistant Program to share her thoughts with us.
It is genuinely an honor to be standing here, to be able to represent the 4 classes, or rather the 3 years of our graduating classes of Vancouver Career College. I would like to welcome all of my fellow graduates here today, our esteemed faculty members and the supporting staff, and also our loving family and friends who are present here today. It has been a long time coming for a number of us, having to wait through the pandemic, in no small part. To say that we all struggled with the uncertainty would definitely not do justice.
Can I have Rekha Rajde with honors? Urmila Pradeep. Program instructor onto the stage, please. Bud Charles Albert with honors.
Shiva, when you're ready, just give me the go ahead, okay? We're good? Okay, time out. There's a special request. I want to do something here, okay? Now, usually in majority other ceremonies I've been to and all that kind of fun stuff, I tend to count 1, 2, and 3, and then we throw it. But I don't want to do that. Because I want the graduating class, if you can, look at every single person in front of you right now. These people that are standing in front of you are behind your success. What the days that you felt like you didn't want to continue, you didn't want to come to class, these men, women, children alike were your pushing momentum. You need to understand that. So this is what I want to do. Family, quickly, take your pictures. Now, family, what I would request is that what we're going to do is that everyone in the audience, you guys, everyone in the audience is going to count to 3. The moment that we count to 3 all together, y'all throw it up. Okay, throw up your damn hats. Okay, so family, friends, are we ready? Okay, ready? 1, 2,